Imagine this. No warning, no sound, no flash. Gravity simply switches off. For 5 seconds, what happens next? First, everything not physically attached to Earth would begin to float. You, cars, oceans, the atmosphere. Gravity is what holds everything down. Without it, Earth would instantly stop pulling objects toward its center. But here's the part most people don't realize. The Earth itself is still rotating at about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. Even if gravity vanished, inertia wouldn't. That means you'd keep moving sideways at the same speed Earth was spinning. But now, nothing would be holding you to the surface. You wouldn't just float gently upward. You'd drift in a straight line while the ground curved away beneath you. In 5 seconds, Earth's rotation would carry the surface several kilometers sideways relative to you. When gravity suddenly switched back on, you wouldn't land where you started. You'd fall. Hard. Buildings wouldn't fare well either. Structures are designed assuming constant downward force. Remove gravity and internal stresses change instantly. Then slam gravity back on. Massive structural damage. Now consider the oceans. Water would begin lifting off the surface, especially around the equator, where rotational speed is highest. When gravity returned, billions of tons of water would crash back down, triggering catastrophic tsunamis across coastlines worldwide. The atmosphere would also expand outward. Air molecules would drift upward. 5 seconds isn't long enough for it to fully escape into space, but when gravity returned, violent pressure waves would ripple around the planet. And that's just Earth. The moon would no longer orbit us during those 5 seconds. Planets would stop orbiting the sun. Everything in motion due to gravity would temporarily move in straight lines instead of curved paths. Even though 5 seconds sound short, orbital mechanics are incredibly precise. That brief interruption could permanently destabilize planetary systems. There's also a deeper physics issue. Gravity isn't a switch you can flip. According to general relativity, gravity is the curvature of space-time itself. Turning it off would mean fundamentally altering the structure of the universe, which suggests something even more unsettling. If gravity truly vanished everywhere at once, reality as we know it wouldn't simply pause, it would break. So the real answer? 5 seconds without gravity wouldn't be a fun floating moment like astronauts experience aboard the International Space Station. It would be globally catastrophic, and when gravity came back, the world wouldn't look the same.